Hey there. So today I just wanted to briefly discuss what happens with regards to your home loan once your offer has been accepted and escrow is opened. Of course, you're probably thinking, since you've already been pre-approved by a lender, it's probably nothing really more to do with regards to your loan, right? Wow, wrong. There's a whole other part of the process called underwriting, where someone, coincidentally called an underwriter, does an even deeper dive into your loan and financial situation than the loan officer who issued you your pre-approval letter. The way I characterize it is you, the buyer of today, you're paying for the sins of the buyers who came before you and defaulted in large numbers, due to the lax underwriting guidelines and predatory loans of the early to mid 2000s. It's almost like the pendulum for loan approvals has shifted from one extreme to the other. Now, the reason the underwriting process is so important to lenders is that in order for them to sell your loan on the secondary market to investors, that loan needs to follow certain Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac guidelines, otherwise known as overlays. And it's the underwriter's job to make sure that all those guidelines are met. Consequently, you may find yourself writing a letter of explanation to source a certain withdrawal or deposit or providing additional documents that the underwriter requests. Why? Because they can, and I promise you they will. But since I've given you a heads up now about this, you're not going to be surprised when it happens. And I hate surprises. I got to believe you do as well. Taking all this into consideration, though, you can see the importance of getting pre-approved with a lender that will dig deep into your financial situation before you make an offer and go into escrow. They really need to ask the important questions in the beginning, get the required documentation, and solve any issues that may exist up front. Believe me, that's much more desirable than waiting for you to get into escrow where the clock is now ticking on your 21-day loan contingency period. Speaking of lenders, please contact me if you'd like to speak with someone who, in my opinion, is as good as they get and has earned my referrals and received rave reviews from my clients for many, many years. Well, I'm Bruce Bosman with Aviar Real Estate, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for listening.